Hello everyone, myself Momin Mohammad Kais Mohammad Aslam, and today we will discuss about the topic what is clinical research. So first of all, I will tell you the definition of clinical research. Clinical research is an investigation which are done on the human beings for the checking of safety, efficacy of a new drug. Or we can also define as clinical investigation as it is a set of trials which are done in the medical sciences and drug development for confirmation of safety and efficacy of a new drug. Clinical research is the main process for bringing a new drug or new chemical entity into the market. Simply, the process is about first the preclinical trials are done, then the report of preclinical trials are sent to IND application. If the IND application granted the preclinical studies, then it is sent to FDA for permission of clinical trials or clinical research. If FDA approved, then clinical research take place. So clinical research is a research which are done on the human beings. So it contain four phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and phase 0 also. So phase 0 is also called as microdosing. It is a phase in which we take very small amount of drug and inject into the human beings to check the pharmacokinetic property, that is PK-ADME, pharmacokinetic. So what are the advantages of phase 0? There are not major side effect, less drug required, and no side effect or less cost than phase 1. In phase 1, we check the safety of a drug, in which there are 25 to 30 people or participants. The patient which we take in phase 1 are usually of AIDS or anti-cancer patients. This is the phase which in which we check the pharmacokinetic toxicity, safety of a drug. In this phase, there are three types: MAD, MAD, multiple ascending dose, in which we give the patient multiple doses, then single ascending dose, and food interaction or food effect. Then second phase is therapeutic effect exploratory trials, in which we check the efficacy of a drug. In there are a total 50 to 100 patients. It takes up to 6 months or 1 years. Then it has also two classified: phase 1A and phase 2A and phase 2B. In phase 1A, we check all the requirements or data which are required for phase 2 studies. In phase 2B, we design or perform the efficacy on human beings. Then phase 3 is the therapeutic confirmatory trials. The name indicate we confirm the safety and efficacy of a new drug entity, in which there are 100 to 3000 people. It approximately take 5 years, and this phase is mainly responsible for confirmation. After the phase 3, the result or the report of clinical trials are sent to the FDA, are sent to the CDSCO for confirmation. Then it is CDSCO, that is Central Drug Standard Control Organization. The head of CDSCO is JCGI, which evaluate the report. Drug Controller General of India, which will evaluate the report and then report to FDA. If FDA will approve the report of clinical trials, then it will go to the market as a new drug. Then after this, phase 4 came. Phase 4 means post marketing trial. It is the phase which is done after the drug approval, after the drug gets the approval and go into the market. In phase 4, we check the long term side effect of a drug, which is done after many years. And in phase 4, we check the multiple side effect, overdosing, and different route of administrations, etc. So this is all about clinical research. Thank you.